And that would be our tornado warning. Oh, this is right out of the Pretty Prairie playbook. What you're seeing off in the distance is a tornado in western Kansas. Looks like it's weakened a little bit. Hang in there. That doesn't look like it's weakened. I think it's going through a cycle. Let's go. All right, you ready to get close? My name's Jim Reed. I'm a weather photographer. Right now we're intercepting a tornado in western Kansas on May 8th, 2008. The day before my mom's birthday.
What?
Keep shooting no matter what. Keep shooting. Shooting to debris side. You can talk to me though. Tell me what it's doing. It's getting closer?
Looks like it. Yes, it is. Getting closer and it's growing.
This is where my days are.
And it looks like it's spelled out a little bit.
Tell me where this relates to the car.
A little bit to the right of the road. To the right of the road and it's coming towards us.
Okay. I see the road.
Okay.
I see the road. Keep shooting.
And it's in front of the road right now. It's on the road.
Okay, good. We're doing great. You're doing great. Okay. Robin, it stopped! It stopped right in front of us!
I see that.
Get out, shoot it! We're okay. Oh, this is too eerie. This is too eerie. Oh, this is too eerie. If your heart's not pounding now, it never will.